Where would you put n behavior? So 100 degrees. N behavior is correct here. Partner A, tell partner B the sentence we usually write for n behavior. Ready, set, go. Marissa, write us the first sentence. You can use blanks. Where's Marissa? There you are. As Alberta, can you read the second one? As there's a sentence for n behavior. Everyone talk to your partner. 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. All right, Marissa, you go first. As X well, we're not sure, so I'm just going to leave it as a blank. Alberta? A blank, right? Anyone else have anything else under the word even or odd degree functions? Anyone? Leading coefficient. Raise your hand if you knew that. Class, what does that leading coefficient do? So the big idea is that the leading coefficient will change the shape. So, for example, if you made something up like x to the fourth minus 8, and maybe put a negative here. Let's color code this. Our leading coefficient would change the arrows, right? And then this sentence is looking at the highest degree, right? Our easiest degree polynomial. Okay? What would you guys put under even and odd functions? Symmetry. What are the types of symmetry we had? Even, odd, neither. So basically, the even, odd functions represents symmetry, and we just did a bunch of examples like that above. So this is basically finding symmetry. Let's write that. Symmetry algebraically. And now we're going to find symmetry sorry, that should be graphically. Come on, mister. And this one is symmetry algebraically. So this is new. So let's write down some steps. If I gave you a polynomial, the question is, how do you know if it is odd, even, or neither? And the answer is you're going to sub in negative x for every x. And then if you look at your results, it's going to be an odd if your answer is the opposite of your original. And that's why in the previous notes I had something called odd op x. It's an odd function if it's the opposite. So it's just kind of like a word on play to help you remind you. It'll make sense when we do some examples. It's going to be an even if it's the original function. And it is neither if it is not equal to the opposite, and it's not equal to the original. So if it's not an odd, it's not an even, then it's going to be a neither. So this is how you test for symmetry algebraically.